Hello, my name is Kyle Power, and this is my introduction and a little bit about me and my family for MPA 540 for Cal Baptist University. My name is Kyle Power. I'm married to my wife, Kelly, and we have a 3-year-old son named Owen who loves swimming and going to the bowling alley. And this is our family, and we live in Ventura County, California. For those who haven't seen my introductions before, our family lost our house in the Thomas Fire in Ventura, California in 2017 when I was taking my second course. I think it was public policy, right at the end of that course and finishing our final project. Our house, we evacuated and did not leave with much, and we lost everything, and we're currently in the process of rebuilding and hope to be back in our house in 2020. And we just got our foundation poured, and we have my son's footprints and handprints in the foundation of our home. I currently work with the Los Angeles County Fire Department Lifeguard Division. I am a lifeguard captain, and I currently work in Santa Monica, and that is my headquarters that I work out of in a 24-hour shift, and we respond to marine emergencies and EMS calls within our jurisdiction of from the Palisades down to Marina Del Rey, as the county of Los Angeles covers 72 miles of coastline, including Catalina and the outer waters of Los Angeles County. And I enjoy my work and my line of work, and we have a lot of fun, and it's a very rewarding job. I am also the union president. I'm just about a year into my term as a union president. Not necessarily something I wanted to take on, but I was kind of asked to do it. And we just finished our successor MOU contracts that we have been negotiating for over a year. And this is me signing them the other day, a couple days ago, which was really good news for our membership, as well as we also signed our contracts for the fringe negotiation that had been going for also a year. And we grinded it out with other public safety unions to get the best hours, wages, and working conditions for our membership in Los Angeles County. In closing, I will show you a quick video of what the lifeguards of LA County pride themselves for, which are ocean rescues. And here is a video that you can see of our lifeguards going out and rescuing multiple victims in a large rip current, unable to return to shore under their own power, and requiring lifeguards to swim out and provide flotation and bring them back to shore safely. You can see a red can in the water, which is the lifeguard getting multiple victims, where many other lifeguards are also responding as they get pulled out to sea and onto our rescue boat. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. I look forward to learning a lot from everybody and getting through the remaining 2 courses that I have left in my master's program. Thank you.